You can build a working app, one a real person could actually use, without writing a single line of code. And I want to show you the exact stack to do it. But more than the stack, I want to show you the one mistake that makes 90% of no-code projects collapse before they ship, because it's not the tools, it's the order. Here's what usually happens when someone tries to build without code. They sign up for a builder, watch a tutorial, get halfway, hit a wall, hear about a better builder, start over. 3 weekends later, they've got a folder of half-built apps and one conclusion. I guess I can't build things. And that conclusion is expensive because it's wrong. You didn't fail to build, you collected builders and never gave one a job. The cost isn't the wasted weekends. It's that you stopped believing you could, over a problem that was never about your ability. No code didn't fail you. Unordered no code failed you. Watch the pattern. It's the same one from the very first rule of this series. You picked the tool before you knew the job. You opened the builder before you could say in one sentence what the app was even for. So every decision inside the builder was a guess, and guesses pile up into a mess, and the mess is what made you quit. The builder wasn't too hard. You just asked it to design the thing and build the thing at the same time, with no plan. No tool survives that. So here's the rule. The spec comes before the builder. Before you touch a single no-code tool, you decide what the app does. The one job, for one user, not 10 features. 1. This app lets this person do this one thing. If you can't finish that sentence, you are not ready to build. You're ready to think. And that's fine. That's the actual first step. The spec is the map. The builder is just the step that gets a job once the map exists. Same rule as everything else. The workflow chooses the tool. 3 moves to actually ship it. 1. Write the one-sentence spec. This app lets a user do one job. That sentence is your whole North Star. Every feature you're tempted to add gets held up against it. Does this serve the one job? If not, it's a tab. Cut it. Most dead apps died of features, not bugs. 2. Assign roles to the stack. 1 tool per job. This is the part people skip. A real build is a few distinct jobs, the thinking. AI to pressure test the spec and scaffold the logic. The interface, a no-code builder for the screens. The memory, a database for the data. The front door, a way to deploy it so a human can reach it. 4 jobs, 4 tools, in order. Not one tool you fight to do everything. Not 5 builders doing the same job. 3. Ship the ugly version to one real person. Not the polished one, the ugly one, this week, to a single actual user. Because the app earns its next feature from use, not from your imagination. You'll learn more in one day of a real person clicking around than in a month of you adding buttons nobody asked for. Done over perfect, always. That's it. You don't need to learn to code. You need a spec and a stack where every tool has a job. Get that order right and I can't build turns into what do I build next. That's ordered clarity, pointed at building. The stack and how to assign the role is mapped at Stackaible. Links below. Stop collecting builders. Start shipping the app.